In Andhra Pradesh, the government and its partners are working together to shape the next generation of farmer services. These innovations aim to reduce labor, cut costs, and enable safer, more efficient farm operations. Through a collaborative effort between Government of Andhra Pradesh, the Gates Foundation, Athena Infonomics, CMS, Vassar Labs, ICAR Indian Agricultural Research Institute, and Marut Drone Tech, new technologies are being brought closer to small and tenant farmers. During the demonstration, Marut Drone Tech showcased 3 drone applications: pesticide spraying, fertilizer spraying, and direct rice seeding. Many apps have been developed to support this effort by identifying when key farm operations are due, guiding timely interventions. As pilots roll out across districts, the focus remains clear: practical solutions that strengthen livelihoods and support farmer-first growth.